Students, in this video I am discussing about orifice meter. Okay, an orifice meter is a conduit and restriction to the restriction to create a pressure drop. Okay, it is a device is used for the measurement of discharge of the fluid through a pipe. Okay, it works on a same principle of a venturi meter, and it consists of a flat circular plate which is which has a circular sharp edge hole. Okay, it's called as a orifice, which is concentric with a pipe. Okay, so the orifice dia is kept generally 0.5 times the dia of the pipe. Okay, so as you can see from this figure, it has a pipe and a direction of flow. Orifice meter is at the center and differential manometer at the bottom. Okay, so let's move on to derivation. Okay, so P1, V1 and A1, that is the pressure at section 1 and the velocity at section 1 and area at section 1. Okay, and P2, V2 and A2 are the pressure, velocity and areas of section 2. Okay, so now applying the Bernoulli's equation, that is P1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g plus Z1 is equals to P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2. Okay, so H is equals to P1 by rho g plus Z1 minus P2 by rho g plus Z2, right? So H is equals to V2 square by 2g minus V1 square by 2g. So 2gh is equals to V2 square minus V1 square, right? So we want V2, so V2 is equals to square root of 2gh plus V1 the square. Okay, put it as equation 1. Now consider section 2. Okay, is at vena contracta, and A2 represents the area of a vena contracta if A0 is the area of the orifice. Okay, so we have Cc. Okay, Cc is a coefficient of contraction, and Cc is given by A2 by A0. Okay, so A2 is equals to Cc into A0. Put it as equation 2. By continuity equation, A1 V1 is equals to A2 V2. So we want V1 here. So V1 is equals to A2 V2 divided by A1. Okay, so A2 is Cc into A0, right? Put A2 value as Cc into A0 in V1. So V1 is equals to Cc into A0 into V2 divided by A1. Okay, or it has equation 3. Okay, so now substitute V1 value in equation 1. Okay, so V2 is equals to square root of 2gh plus the bracket Cc into A0 into V2 divided by A1 the whole square. So V2 square is equals to squaring to remove the square root. So V2 square is equals to 2gh plus A0 by A1 the whole square into Cc square into V2 square. So V2 we want, that is V2 is equals to square root of 2gh divided by square root of 1 minus A0 divided by A1 the square into Cc square, or h is equals to V2 square by 2g minus V1 square by 2g. So 2gh is equals to V2 square by minus V1 square. So 2gh is equals to V2 square minus V1 square is Cc into A0 into V2 divided by A1 the whole square. So which is equals V2 is equals to V2 the square into 1 minus Cc the square in the bracket A0 by A1 the square. So V2 becomes square root of 2gh divided by square root of 1 minus A0 divided by A1 the square into Cc square. Okay, so now discharge Q is equals to A2 into V2, right? So here A2 is Cc into A0. So V2 Q is equals to V2 into Cc into A0. Okay, substitute for a V2, that is Q is equals to Cc into A0 into square root of 2gh divided by square root of 1 minus A0 divided by A1 the whole square into Cc square. Put it as equation 4. So Q theoretical. Okay, so Q theoretical is equals to A0 into A1 square root of 2gh divided by square root of A1 square minus A0 the square. For a Q actual, CD comes CD into A0 into A1 to square root of 2gh divided by square root of A1 square minus A0 square. Here CD is a coefficient of discharge of a orifice meter, and coefficient of discharge for an orifice meter is much smaller than for a venturi meter. Okay, this is about venturi meter. and derivation. Okay, thank you.